हाय मैं हूं इकबाल खान.
हाय, मैं हूँ बिनी शर्मा.
Hi, welcome to Teledarshan. So, what makes your chemistry tick on screen?
I think primarily the characters are very strong, okay, and the way the writer writes about these two characters specifically is nice, and also we're pretty comfortable with each other and on the set, uh, and that shows, if you have a cordial relationship with each other. I think what makes it different is that when you're cordial with each other, when you're friendly with each other, it shows. Not like when you can't see eye to eye and don't get along, then it's a slight problem. We don't have that problem.
Yeah, exactly. Same.
So, when you guys like first saw each other on the sets, what was your impression of each other?
Binny was very pleasant, yeah, and when I still stick to the same, she's still pleasant.
Yeah, like for me, it was a bit difficult because coming new to the industry and working opposite people who are built up actors and very famous actors, especially like Iqbal. So it was nice, and I'm till date glad to work with him because he's a very good human being, and working with good people is like more of a comfort for you. So you should be compatible with each other. I think that matters the most.
What's the one thing about Binny that the fans don't know?
Sorry, Binny, but I have to say it. Her laugh. Not that it's bad, but it's pretty loud, which nobody has in the public actually heard it or seen it. Please don't make her laugh right now.
Can you tell us one thing about him that the fans don't know?
I think his fans know him pretty well, yeah. I mean, they're damn crazy about him, and I think they know everything about Iqbal. Yeah, I guess, yeah.
So, what's the favorite scene you two have shot together so far?
My favorite scene is the boat scene. There's a boat sequence that we shot together.
Yeah.
That was the first time when Rudra and Gauri come face to face. I think it was a lot of fun, yeah. And also, it had writing wise also, it was very nicely written in terms of the chemistry. And I think we did pretty okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite scene also.
And yeah, it was fun shooting also, we were in the middle of water and a lot of fun.
So, how close or different is Binny from a character in Sanjog?
I think she's pretty same. Binny sir par mat chadna, iske baad tareef kar raha hu tumhari. She's a girl with a lot of family values. She's someone with a great nature, and I think so is Gauri. Sometimes gets a little unreal, which Binny doesn't, and I think, which thank God, and that's good. I'm not like Rudra at all. Nothing like Rudra.
Iqbal is not so close to Rudra because what I know about Iqbal is he's a he's a genuine person. Like he's a very good human being. जो है वो बोल देगा. He understands. Like he is unlike Rudra. Rudra is like at times without understanding situations. He's just like aggressive with a few things and panicking and just gets aggression. But Iqbal is not like that, and he's a genuine human being. So
So, what's the first thing that Binny does after she comes on the sets?
I think that Binny would know. She goes in a van and she starts getting ready and starts preparing for the scene. I don't do that. I go on the set first, chat a little, and then go on the van.
Okay, so going by the title Sanjog Se Bani Sangini, what importance do you think destiny plays in finding your partner?
Destiny, I strongly believe in destiny. Whether you fall in love, or you get married, or you make friends, these are things which always stay with you throughout your life. These are few things which have a lot of importance in your life. And these are all decided by destiny. You most of the times cannot control it, and that's how it goes. You can't do much about it. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Most of the time it's nice.
I agree with him.
So can you tell us about some funny incident that happened on the sets?
हम बहुत झगड़ते हैं यार. We fight a lot. Those are funny incidents actually.
Those are pretty funny actually.
Actually, we fight like kids, so it's okay.
What was the first shot you two did together?
The first shot that I did with Binny was that it was in Haridwar, and it was in the middle of a heavy duty aarti in Haridwar. Rishikesh, na? Rishikesh.
Parmartha Ashram.
Pramartha Ashram. And full on aarti was going on, and I was supposed to go, come down from the stairs and go down to her and just splash sindoor all over her forehead. She was pretty shocked actually, it was her first scene with me, and one of her first Mang Bharoi scene, and I still remember she was pretty shocked, and I remember also she telling me that, very innocently, that I think, I don't know, I'm feeling very weird. What's my mom gonna say, So that was pretty sweet actually.
What do you want to share about that scene?
Yeah, I was pretty shocked there because me, I relate a lot to Gauri yaar, and the very first scene I was supposed to do with my co-actor, that was something like sindoor bharna, mang bharna, and I'm like a girl respecting our rituals and traditions, and it's in a lifetime, like आप रोज नहीं करते हो शादी, और आई कुड इमेजिन कि अच्छा अगर ऐसा किसी के साथ रियल में हो, कोई लड़का जस्ट आकर ऐसे कर दे, सो हाउ वुड वन फील. So that was a weird feeling I was having at that time, and the very first scene, the very first day of my shoot, so I was a bit shocked and I was surprised. And right after the shoot got over, I just called up my dad. I shared everything with him. Dad, ऐसा हुआ. So and he said, it's okay, chill. It was a shot. Forget it. I was like, okay.
So any message you have to give to your fans?
वी ट्राइंग आर बेस्ट कि हम जितना अच्छा कर सकें आप तक अच्छा काम पहुंचाएं, एंड वी आर वेरी श्योर कि रुद्र एंड गौरी का जो केमिस्ट्री है आपको पसंद आ रहा है, आगे भी आता रहेगा. सो प्लीज़ आप डू कीप वॉचिंग संगिनी, बिकॉज इस ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी के ज़रिए हम आपके दिलों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, एंड वी आर वेरी श्योर कि हमारे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं बहुत ही नॉर्मल कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जो हर घर में मौजूद होते हैं और हर कोई उससे रिलेट कर सकता है. सो प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग संगिनी, एंड we'll try our best to हम जितना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकें, जितना अच्छा आप तक पहुंचा सकें अपना काम, हम वो करते रहेंगे. थैंक यू.
I think my message is also pretty same, and I couldn't have said it better. But yeah, I'm sure you guys watch a lot of stuff here, and there's somehow, whether the audience knows it or not, there is something in the eyes of the actors which connect to the audience, and they know whether a person is honest or not, and I hope that we are.